Very good morning to all of you. Hope all are fine. Now we start exercise 3.2. Before starting exercise 3.2, we discuss some formulas related to exercise 3.2. See this. First, sine minus theta equal to minus sine theta. Second, tan minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Then cot minus theta equal to minus cot theta. 4 cosec minus theta equal to minus cosec theta. 5th, cos minus theta equal to cos theta, and opposite of cos is sec minus theta equal to sec theta. So you should remember that sine, tan and its derivative comes in negative sign, but in cos and its derivative sec is positive sign. So sine minus theta equal to minus sine theta, tan minus theta equal to minus tan theta, cot minus theta equal to minus cot theta, cosec minus theta equal to minus cosec theta, cos minus theta equal to cos theta, it comes in plus sign, and cos, opposite of cos is sec, sec minus theta equal to sec theta. So only these comes in positive sign and these comes in negative sign. Okay, then this is quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Pi upon 2, this is 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. One thing you should remember that in pi upon 2 and 3 pi upon 2, the trigonometry ratio change, means sine change into cos and cos change into sine, tan change into cot, cot change into tan, sec change into cosec, cosec change into sec, only when pi upon 2 come and 3 pi upon 2 come. But pi and 2 pi, no value change, sine is always sine, cos is always cos, tan is always tan, cot is always cot, sec is always sec, cosec is always cosec. See this, sine pi upon 2 plus theta, sine pi upon 2 plus pi upon 2 plus means this side. In second quadrant sine is positive, right? But sine pi upon 2, sine change into cos, so cos theta, right? And pi upon 2 plus theta means second quadrant sine is positive and sine change into cos, right? Then cos pi upon 2 plus theta, pi upon 2 plus theta, pi upon 2 plus theta means second quadrant cos is negative, negative and cos change into sine, so minus sine theta, right? Then tan pi upon 2 plus theta, pi upon 2 plus theta means pi upon 2 means this toward 180 degree, pi upon 2 plus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative, so tan is negative means, and tan change into cot, cot theta, right? Then cot pi upon 2 plus theta, pi upon 2 plus theta means second quadrant cos is, cot is negative and cot change into tan, so tan theta, right? Then sec pi upon 2 plus theta, pi upon 2 plus theta second quadrant, in second quadrant sec is negative and sec change into cosec, so minus cosec theta. And last cosec pi upon 2 plus theta means second quadrant cosec is positive, but in pi upon 2 cosec change into sec, so sec थीटा। सो आपने एक चीज याद रखनी कि पाई अपॉन 2 एंड 3 पाई अपॉन 2 में वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएंगी, साइन का कॉस, कॉस का साइन, tan का cot, cot का tan, sec का cosec, cosec का sec। लेकिन आपने ये भी देखना है कि sin pi upon 2 plus theta in pi upon 2 plus theta second quadrant sin is always positive, sin and cosec is always positive। फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव देन pi upon 2 इन जहां पर pi upon 2 में sin की वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगी cos में, ठीक है। then see this, then sin pi upon 2 minus theta in previous all pi upon 2 plus theta, pi upon 2 plus theta, but in that case pi upon 2 minus theta means 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta। so this angle 90 and 270, sin change into cos, cos change into sin, sec change into cosec, cosec change into sec, tan change into cot, cot change into tan, right। so sin 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, first quadrant all are positive means sin change into cos, but first quadrant all are positive, so cos theta। then cos 90 minus theta, 90 minus the cos change into sin, and first quadrant all are positive, sin theta। then tan 90 minus theta, change tan change into cot, and first quadrant all are positive, so cot theta। then cot 90 minus theta, cot change into tan, tan theta। then sec 90 minus theta, sec change into cosec theta, and last cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta। so 90 and 270 means pi upon 2 and 3 pi upon 2 all value change, sin change into cos, cos change into sin, tan change into cot, cot change into tan, sec change into cosec, cosec change into sec। then sin 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta, cot 180 minus theta, sec 180 minus theta, cosec 180 minus theta। so in 180 and 360 all trigonometric ratio remain same, means sin is always sin, cos is always cos, tan is always tan, cot is always cot, sec is always sec, cosec is always cosec। then sin 90 180 minus theta, this is 180 and minus theta means toward 90 means second quadrant, in second quadrant sin is positive, so sin 90 minus theta 180 minus theta, sin theta। then cos 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta, second quadrant cos is negative, so minus cos theta। then tan 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta means second quadrant tan is negative, so minus tan theta। then cot 180 minus theta means second quadrant cos is negative, then sec 180 minus theta, second quadrant and sec is negative, sec theta। and last cosec 180 minus theta means cosec, second quadrant cosec is positive, right। so but in case of positive means if pi plus theta, see this, so same thing are there, means 90 plus theta, 9 sin 180 plus theta means third quadrant sin is negative, so minus sin theta, because in 180 degree and 360 degree sin remain sin, cos remain cos, cos 180 plus theta means third quadrant means cos is negative, so minus cos theta। then tan 180 plus theta, third quadrant tan is positive, so tan theta। then cot 180 plus theta, third quadrant is cot theta means positive. Then sec 180 plus theta, third quadrant means sec is negative. And last cosec 180 plus theta means third quadrant cosec is negative. So you should remember that pi no value change means pi sin is always sin, cos is always cos, tan is always tan, cot is always cot, sec is always sec, cosec is always cosec. Then see the value which quadrant lies in first quadrant, all value positive, second quadrant sin and cosec are positive, rest are negative, third tan and cot are positive, rest are negative, and last cos and sec are positive, rest are negative. Okay, then 3 pi upon 2 minus theta, 3 pi upon 2 minus theta means this side. So third quadrant, this all are in third quadrant. In third quadrant only tan and cot are positive, rest are negative. But sin change into cos, cos change into sin, tan change into cot, cot change into tan, sec change into cosec, cosec change into sec. So sin 3 pi upon 2 minus theta means sin 270 minus theta. So 370 minus theta in third quadrant, sin is negative and sin change into cos. So cos theta, right? Cos 3 pi upon 2 minus theta means in third quadrant cos is negative. So cos change into sin theta, right? Then tan 270 minus theta, tan in third quadrant tan is positive, so tan change into cot theta, because in third quadrant cot is positive. Then cot 3 pi upon 2 minus theta, cot is always positive in third quadrant, so cot change into tan theta. Then sec 3 pi upon 2 minus sec in third quadrant, sec is negative and sec change into cosec, so minus cosec theta. And last cosec 3 pi upon 2 minus theta, cosec change into sec theta. Okay, then see this, when 3 pi upon 2 plus theta in plus 3 pi upon 2 plus theta means 3 pi upon 2 plus theta means this side means fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive, rest are negative. So sin 3 pi upon 2 in sin change into cos theta, but in sin fourth quadrant sin is negative, so minus cos theta. Cos 3 pi upon 2 plus theta, cos is always positive. Fourth quadrant cos positive, so 3 pi upon 2 plus theta means sin theta. Cos change into sin, but in fourth quadrant cos is always positive. Tan 3 pi upon 2 plus theta means fourth quadrant tan is always negative, so tan change into cot, so cot theta. Cot 3 pi upon 2 fourth quadrant cot is negative and cot change into tan theta. Then sec 3 pi upon 2 plus theta, sec fourth quadrant sec is positive, sec change into cosec, so cosec theta. And last cosec 3 pi upon 2 plus theta, in last cosec means fourth quadrant cosec is negative and cosec change into sec theta minus sec theta.